Can you believe it? My very first Paloma. Low effort, high reward, and no regrets. To my new viewers and my returning subscribers,
cheers,
welcome to Jazz Bar, where the music is smooth and the drinks are even smoother. Making cocktails every week? Come on, it's dangerous. Because now I'm falling in love with every drink I try.
Good.
This week's flavor fling, the Paloma. Salt on the rim is not just there to look pretty. Think of it as the flavor wingman. It makes the tequila pop, tames the citrus, and low-key makes you look like you know what you're doing. All right, let's go ahead and build this beauty. Start with half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, bright zippy, and the unofficial wake-up call. Next, 2 ounces of tequila, 2 ounces of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, sweet, tart, and a little dramatic. Then hit it with a 1/4 ounce of agave, just enough to keep things friendly. Add the ice and give it a good shake. Now that's the sound of good decisions, or at least fun ones, right? Look at that pour. That's the kind of consistency we all need in our lives. Preferably poured over ice. Kind of like how I remember to do it there, right? The steps is a little bit messy, but the results were clean and sippable. Pro tip, put in that sparkle water or that club soda before you add your drink so it mixes nicely. Go ahead and garnish with a lime wheel and a grapefruit peel. Or if you're thirsty, you can just forget all that noise and just get straight to it. And there you have it, that Paloma, the drink that will give the margaritas run for its money. If you're vibing with this, hit that subscribe button for more cocktails, mocktails, tips, and good times. Until next time, keep it chill, keep it smooth, and keep shaking. Cheers, y'all.